The Physics of History in Nigh 4 Minutes by Gerhard Riss. A hell of a lot of work for historians to rewrite history proper, putting an end to the sinister history of the 5,000-year war. The Hall of Mirrors of History. Get your organization in order. Spot the devil on your shoulder. Since 2021, in more than 23 predictions proven 100% correct what robot Putin would do in Ukraine. Only radical change can help by the Oracle Senate test. Hitler was an authoritarian hysteric as a genotype and a narcissist phenotype, a brave warrior due to narcissistic tunnel vision. SS General Professor Ferdinand Porsche was an ADHD I4 like Einstein, introvert-friendly lone wolf type whose mission was to build a large Volkswagen factory. He was a great engineer who probably after Hitler switched from socialism to fascism, saw, as the other deltas in power, such as Hess and Goering, that continuation of the war was bad for Germany. Hitler was distraught after the war was declared, proving the idiot he wasn't a great diplomat. Great feelings of guilt and shame made him externalize the guilt on scapegoats, such as the Jews. The more bombs on Germany, also most other Germans became more and more internalized in denial of it being their own fault. It is a criminally insane yet healthy neurological reaction to protect the brain by religiously blaming the scapegoat. In R&D, I'd point to a probable brilliant sabotage by Porsche, sensing Hitler hadn't the foggiest about technical issues, and thus was easily and safely duped to build insanely large super tech tanks. Hitler was an ace at mass hypnotics, as human resource management, female logic. Glass ceiling historic fairy tale. Humanity needs 10% of humanity requiring scientific professional education from birth until death, besides 40% HPE, ditto MPE, and 10% lowest professional education. The personality type distribution remains the same, and the percentages are idealized, excluding the second law of everything. What is the management role and what type of organization? Mind, 0.2% of 8 billion humans is a lot, but relatively little. Female logic idiocy is criminally insane outside human resource management and sales management, in which it's potentially highly gifted. And B2, research and development needs a little human resource management as well as vice versa. Rewriting history in trial and error via one law of human nature. Study this. Volatile politics by lawmakers due to the unstable economy before a global whopping war as a history of the 5,000-year war. Simply study this.